Welcome to our herbal journey to quick and healthy weight loss. Today, we'll introduce you to a natural remedy that can help you shed those extra pounds and feel your best. Let's dive right in. Our star ingredient for this herbal tip is the humble ginger root. Ginger is renowned for its numerous health benefits, and one of them is its ability to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. To prepare this weight loss elixir, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Fresh ginger root, lemon, honey, hot water. Step 1. Begin by peeling and slicing a small piece of fresh ginger. Ginger contains compounds that can help increase your metabolism and promote fat loss. Step 2. Place the sliced ginger into a cup and squeeze the juice of half a lemon over it. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can aid in digestion and detoxification. Step 3. Add a teaspoon of honey to the cup. Honey not only adds a touch of sweetness but also contains beneficial enzymes that support your digestive system. Step 4. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Pour hot water into the cup to cover the ginger, lemon, and honey. Step 5. Let the mixture steep for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors and properties to meld together. And there you have it, your natural weight loss elixir. This herbal concoction can be enjoyed warm or even as a refreshing iced drink. As you sip on this delightful blend, remember that it's not just about quick fixes. A balanced diet and regular exercise are essential for achieving long-term weight loss goals. This herbal tip can be a helpful addition to your healthy lifestyle. So, take a step towards a healthier you, one sip at a time. Embrace the power of nature and the goodness of ginger, lemon, and honey. Thank you for joining us on this herbal journey. If you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more herbal wisdom on your path to a healthier, happier you.